Hi guys. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to use the base 10 blocks and discs to represent composing a number. Remember the we will and I will. We will use place value to compose and decompose numbers using place value discs. And at the end, you're going to have to explain how representing those numbers using the pictures we're drawing, the pictorial models, improves and helps you understand the value of the number. Okay, so keep that in mind. All right, so let me show you. So if we have the number 307, like right there, and I'm going to represent this number using base 10 blocks. We went over yesterday when we were drawing them that you look at each value. This is the ones place that we begin with, so there's 7 ones. So if I'm doing base 10 blocks, I just draw 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 units, okay? Then I look at the next house, or the next room, I'm sorry. The next room in this one's house is the tens. So the next digit is a 0 in the tens place. So I don't need to draw any of these rods or longs, whichever you choose to call them. So nothing goes right here for the base 10 blocks. Then I go to the next room and it's hundreds, where I draw the flats. The next digit is a 3 for the hundreds place. So I'm going to draw 3 flats in the hundreds place. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, so that's the base 10 blocks. Now I'm going to do it using the discs. Remember, when we go to our vocabulary page, remember the disc, we just draw circles that have the value of each in the circle. Okay. So we go back to this. We start again with the ones. Remember, when we're drawing the disc, we're going to draw a circle with a 1 in it for the ones place. And we're going to draw how many of those? Well, right here it says 7. So I'm going to draw 7 circles. Drawing tool. Try not to draw them too big. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm going to put a 1 in each of those. Ooh, because these are the ones place. Okay? Now, I go to my next room, which is the tens. How many tens are in our number? Well, the tens place shows the digit 0. So I don't have to draw any discs at all in this room, just like I didn't have to draw any base 10 blocks. Then I go to the next room, which is hundreds. The hundreds place is right here, and the digit 3 is in the hundreds place. So I'm going to draw 3 hundreds discs. So if it's a disc, there's 100 in it. So I'm going to draw 3 hundreds discs. And I have to write the number 100 in them, so I'm going to draw a little bigger. I'm going to go outside of that room, but that's okay as long as I don't go into another room. So I have 3, and I need to write 100 in it. I'm using my finger. I feel like it makes it a little easier instead of using my mouse. There we go. So now I'm finished with my number. So there's 3 hundreds, 0 tens, and 7 ones. 3 hundreds, 0 tens, 7 ones. So I can look at these discs and know that this represents the number 307. Your turn.